defense team of Dr. Obadiah Mailafia press conference, so that we'll be able to intimate you and also the members of the general public of the current situation of things, and for them to know where we are concerning his case. We are all aware that Dr. Obadiah Mailafia was invited by the Department of State Security Services Plateau State Command for an interview, investigation, and interrogation in respect of an interview he granted for a local FM radio station in Lagos on the 9th day of August 2020 on issues related to internal security of Nigeria. His interview focused on the insistent killings and ethnic cleansing in his homeland of southern Kaduna and nationwide insecurity. The interview generated several comments and interest from different quarters, local, national, and global. And after that, actually that meeting, he appeared and he was interviewed, he was interrogated, and his statement was recorded. After 6 hours of interaction and interface with the members or the officials of the DSS, he was released on bail that very day. And in the same vein, he was re-invited to appear at the DSS Plateau State Command on the 17th day of August 2020 for another interaction, which he also honored the same invitation. He was there. And after like 40 minutes, he was allowed to go home. But however, it is with the greatest shock and consternation that we want to use this avenue as the legal defense team of Dr. Obadiah Mailafia to bring to the notice and knowledge of the general public that another letter of invitation was served on him on the 21st day of August 2020 at his residence by the Nigerian Police Force through the office of the DIG, Force CID Abuja, for him to appear on Monday, 24th day of August 2020, which is today, for an interview. And that same letter is even a photocopy. We want to announce to the members of the press, our countrymen and women, and indeed the entire world, that this morning we have served the Inspector General Police, DIG, Force Criminal Investigation Department, and the signatory of that said letter of invitation, one DSP, Umar Mamman Sanda, by substituted means through the Commissioner of Police Plateau State Command, having obtained a court order. What we are saying is that as I speak to you now, Dr. Obadiah Mailafia had already filed an action in court. We are praying the Honorable Court to make judicial pronouncement on the letter of invitation served on him. We are equally subjecting the invitation made by the force, by the office of the DIG, Force Criminal Investigation Department Abuja, to appear, for him to appear for an interview under judicial scrutiny. We strongly believe that it is significant to hear the decision of the court on these germane issues. It is necessary also for the office of the DIG to wait for the judicial verdict in order to know whether it is appropriate and in tandem with our external laws for the Nigerian police to invite Dr. Obadiah Mailafia in the midst of an ongoing investigation by the DSS on a matter that is related to internal security. It is correct that to say that the case of Dr. Obadiah Mailafia, as a result of the service of the letter on him by the Nigerian Police Force, has assumed a different dimension. It is unfortunate to note that the case is now characterized with undeniable element of intimidation, harassment, persecution, and witch hunt. We stand to be corrected. However, it is difficult to deduce, and if possible conclude that the invitation of Dr. Obadiah Mailafia by the Nigerian Police Force is pregnant with sinister, clandestine, and surreptitious intention, since the DSS is the only statutory body empowered by law to investigate Dr. Obadiah Mailafia, which investigation they have commenced.